Alright now, y'all, from the title and from the thumbnail, y'all already know what this video about to be about, y'all. All I'm gonna say is, whoever invented this wig is a genius, bro. They're a genius because honestly, I feel like all of us, every single last one of us females, have always wanted something like this because we're already probably throwing our frontal, or we probably throwing our closure not done, not glued down, not melted, nothing, y'all. I know because I do it a lot myself. I throw on wigs and put a hat right over it, and my wig won't be done underneath, y'all. My wig would dead be lifting and all. So this right here, y'all, just saved my life, yo. Literally. This is Nadula hair, of course, right? Nadula, y'all. I love Nadula hair. I don't understand. So it came, this is a big box. I already opened it. But this is a Merry Christmas box. This is so cute. And I have my stuff right here, right? And then, of course, you know, they give me the goodies and all that good stuff. You know, regular. But today we talking about the wig, y'all. Is this even a wig? Like, I don't even know. Like, hold on, let me turn on my flat iron. Let me take this out, y'all. Let me take this out and show y'all what Nadula done blessed me with. Bro, they just made my life 20 times easier. Bro, who would have ever thought to make a wig cap, y'all? Bro. Yo, when I say this is beginner friendly, this is literally beginner friendly. I can understand they have other wigs that's beginner friendly, but those wigs have laces. A lot of people don't know how to cut a lace, to be honest, y'all. But with this, where's the lace? Like, literally, where is the lace? You don't have to worry about no lace, y'all. Oh my god, I cannot wait to put this wig on. I hope it can fit, though. I have a small head. Or do I? Alright, so let me take this off. Don't laugh at me, y'all. And let me put this on. Because, bro. Ah, it's on my earring, y'all. Whew. Bro. Let me see if I can tighten it without making it look weird in the back. Yo, they even sewed here on the thing. What I was scared about with this wig, y'all, I thought it was gonna be thin. This is honestly good. Like, this is not too thin, it's not too thick, it's perfect. It is perfect, y'all. Wow, this, yo. And y'all, literally, and this is a 22-inch, y'all. Look how fire I look in just 5 minutes, y'all. Look how fire I just looked, y'all. Y'all just saw me looking busted. I went from busted to baddie. Alright, not baddie. I went from busted to decent in literally a nanosecond. Like, not even 1 minute. That was like a nanosecond, bro. That was a nanosecond. And I'm not even dragging it. Y'all gonna see this wig. Y'all gonna see this hat, wig on my head 24/7. Throughout Vlogmas. If it ain't this wig, I probably ain't gonna be wearing a wig. Because this wig is literally my to-go wig. Because all I gotta do is throw it on. Bro. And it does not even look like... You could straighten this wig. You could curl this wig. You could cut this wig to a bob, but I don't want to do that because I want mine long. Y'all know I love my inches. This is 22-inch. But I'm going to go ahead and straighten his hair. Get all these clumps and stuff out of it. And y'all, that's it. Like, that's literally all you gotta do. One pass with the flat iron and your hair is done. Like, bro, I am so glad. Yo, I'm wearing this to church tomorrow because, yo, I don't have to do nothing with my hair. I'm wearing this wig to church because all I gotta do is boom, bang. Y'all know, but that's my favorite line. And my wig is on, and I'm legit like ready. I wish I could like, maybe I'll add something. No, let me not. Like I said before, and I'm not even being like dramatic or anything. This is the best wig, hat wig they could ever invent, yo. This wig is fire. People who know me personally know I love my hats, y'all. And honestly, sometimes, y'all, when I be trying to throw on like a wig and a hat, sometimes my hat look weird because like the wig just have like, I don't know, sometimes I feel like sometimes my hats be looking weird because it don't fit. Like it's not fitting the way it's supposed to fit. So the fact that they already have a hat that comes with hair attached to it is like honestly the best invention they could ever make. Like I said, y'all, Nadula, y'all done changed the game. I don't know if any other companies had it, but I don't know. Nadula was the first one to ever introduce this wig to me. So like I said, Nadula, y'all done changed the game. And y'all already know Nadula is another one of my top faves. I would highly recommend this here. Highly. Y'all don't need no lace no more. Y'all don't need no lace. They have wigs with hats attached, y'all. And also, Nadula also have headband wigs. So if you're not the lace type of person, like if it's hard for you to cut the lace, other than this wig, I would highly recommend their headband wigs, y'all. That's also beginner friendly, y'all. Headband wigs, all you gotta do is throw on your wig legit with a headband and go. If you're not a hat type of person, you can throw in a headband wig and call it a day. Yo, I love this wig, and like I said, it is inches. I can't, let me feel like a tippy toe. That was mad funny. He's mad annoying for that. I can just tippy toe, and it's inches, y'all. I have 22 inches. I believe this longer or this shorter. I'm not sure, but this done changed the game, and this is one of the quickest and easiest videos I have ever done. So like I said, go get y'all wigs from the baseball cap wigs, dad hat cap wigs from, did I say dad hat cat? Did I just say dad hat cat? Go get your hat wigs from Nadula, y'all. But yeah, that is the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. On the road to 60K, man. Let's get it. Let's go. And I'll see you guys in Vlogmas Day 6. Bye.